Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get a reward card under 18. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy step. So to get a reward card under 18, first of all you have to make account, then you have to get approved by your parents, okay, or guardians. Then here you have to fill your detail and other things. Then you can directly get your card, and after getting card you have to use safely and securely, and your guardians or parent will set your limit. So as you can see, okay, and fees will be also applied on the card. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.